Happy Friday, friends. It's I, Jackie P, your CFP, and this is another episode of Fact or Flop Friday, where I help you break down internet advice, helping you separate the good from the bad. So let's get started.
See, this is the big scam right here. The big scam is this $100. What year were you born?
73.
So in 1973, this said 100 on it.
Yeah.
It says 1973 down here, right?
Yeah.
Full faith in the U.S. government and God we trust. It says the same bullshit. If this was a 1973 bill printed in the year you were born, what would it say on it today?
100. Oh, it'd be way less.
No, but what would it say on it? It would still say, right here, it would say what?
$100.
Exactly. It should say 11.
Right. Because it's worth
That's-
10% of what it used to be.
That's where the scam took place, right there.
This week's episode, our friend Grant Cardone talks about how much the dollar is a scam because of inflation. I don't disagree that inflation eats into your purchasing power, and it can feel frustrating when your dollar doesn't go as far as it used to be. But calling the dollar a scam is just misleading. The dollar is not a store of value, it's a medium of exchange. A dollar is designed to facilitate trade, make purchases, or make investments. It's meant to move. Grant is not entirely wrong. If you're sitting on a ton of cash, it might feel safe, it might feel secure, but inflation is eroding it away, and you just don't know because the account balance doesn't change. You should have cash on hand for emergencies or your short-term expenses. However, those should be at least in a high-yield savings account, and everything above that should be seeking a better rate of return. Inflation is real, it always has been, and it's never going away, but that doesn't mean that the dollar is broken. You just have to be intentional of where your cash sits and how you use it. Is this a fact or flop? It's a flop. The dollar's far from a scam. It's a tool. And just like any tool, it's only as effective as the way you use it. I'm Jackie P, your CFP. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next week.